Does your old Windows laptop take forever to start? Apps freezing? Fan sounding like an airplane? Before you throw it away or buy a new one, try this. In this video, I'll show you simple tricks that can make your old laptop feel fast again. First, close background apps using Task Manager. You don't need to be a computer expert to understand this. It's designed to be simple and user-friendly.
The first mistake most people make is that they never restart their laptop. Closing the lid is not same as restarting. A restart clears temporary memory problems, stock up apps, and background junk, slowing your computer down. Try restarting your laptop at least once every few days. One major reason old laptops feel slow is too many apps starting automatically. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys together to open Task Manager. Click on Startup Apps. If you see apps you don't need opening automatically, disable them. Example, Spotify, Discord, Teams, updates, random apps you don't remember installing. The fewer apps starting with Windows, the faster your laptop boots. Free up storage space. When your storage is almost full, Windows slows down a lot. Go to Settings, click on Storage, and delete temporary files, old downloads, and junk you no longer use. Keeping at least 20% free storage can improve performance. Uninstall programs you don't use. Old laptops often have programs you don't use running in the background. Old games, trial software, anti-bloat, toolbars no one asked for. If you don't use it, uninstall it. Turn off visual effects. Windows animations look cool, but old laptops suffer because of them. Search performance. Click Adjust Appearance and Performance of Windows. Now choose Adjust for best performance. You will get instant, smoother experience. Your laptop may look slightly less fanciful, but much faster. Update Windows and drivers. Your laptop might be slow because it's outdated. Install Windows Update and graphic driver updates, not some random driver booster apps from suspicious websites. Some of them cause more problems than they solve. Check for virus. Viruses and malware can secretly slow down your computer. Use Windows Security for a full scan. Important tip: if your laptop opens as by itself, congratulations, something is living inside of it. Change HDD to SDD. This is the best upgrade for old laptops. If your laptop still uses a hard drive, replacing it with an SDD can make it feel like a completely different machine. Boot time becomes faster, apps opens quicker, everything feels smoother. Add more RAM. 4 GB RAM struggles today. 8 GB is much better for an everyday use. Reset Windows as last option. If nothing works, you can reset Windows. This removes years of junk, broken apps, and system problems. Tip: first, backup your files. Think of it as giving your laptop a fresh start. You don't always need a new laptop. Sometimes your old one just needs cleaning, optimization, and 1 or 2 upgrades. Here is a quick recap. Before you spend money on a new laptop, remember these simple fixes. Restart your laptop regularly. Disable unnecessary setup apps. Delete junk and free storage space. Uninstall apps you don't use. Turn off heavy visual effects. Update Windows and scan for virus. Upgrade to an SSD for a huge speed boost. Add more RAM if need be. With just a few changes, your old laptop can feel faster, smoother, and way more usable again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech tips, and share this video with someone who is still using a painfully slow laptop. I'll see you in our next video.